All right. I think. Hello. Yes. How are you? This is Maurice. Welcome to this channel, and we are doing a simple analysis on COMM. Yeah, I'll give a small explanation about COMM. Let me delete this so that you can see the main chart. So you can see this chart, and it might maybe surprise you and think that it is going to zero and all that. So we are just going to decode as small information about this chart. So basically, on the basics, this is a COM, and it is an asset that you get after you've staked your hex. So once you have staked your hex, you are able to have these assets. So you can come here to communis.app, and then after that you will see that first page there, and it is nice and easy, and then you'll now be in this page. So we are looking at this Communis, and it is now hex miners can mint liquid com rewards from their stakes. Now you get paid to stake hex longer. 555 stakes uh, 50 times more reward than 1 year stakes. All right. So you'll go and learn about it. So now again, to explain about it, hex miners, those who have staked hex, the people who are the hex takers, those who have locked their hex for a certain period of time. Remember, hex is an asset that you can just take between a period of 1 day to 15 years, any period between that time frame. So once you've staked, you receive bonuses, or you are able to receive airdrops. So one of the airdrops that you receive, it is this Communis, and there's another one called Hedron. So right now we are looking at Communis, and this is now the price performance of that asset that you get once you have staked hex. And this is basically now the weekly time frame price representation of how price has been performing since it was launched. You can see it was launched around April 2025. That was last year, and this is how it has been performing. First of all, it made this all-time high here that you can use this tool here to identify it, which is around there, which is 0.100357. You can see it is that was the highest height has ever been, and right now it is trading at 0.11 zeros, then 1052. Yeah, now I've decided to do this because many people might overlook it, but then this is a very big opportunity right now, because this asset is making its like new lower low, like all-time lower low. Yeah, so this is the highest it has ever been. Now we are going to use this tool, which is here, and it is called the measurer, where it is the price range. So from the all-time price high it has ever been now to the current price here, where it is, you just match it with the red, with the red with the red line here, the current price. It is down negative 97.2%. 97. Now, let me tell you, if it reaches 100, like negative 100%, that asset will be rendered like bankrupt zero, like it will go back to zero. And it hasn't done that yet. So we are negative 97.24% since this asset made all this time high. And now that is where the opportunity is coming to. Like, this asset is like it is being sold at a discount right now at 97%. So any price above this price, it means that you'll always be on profit. So that is like a small just sentiment of, you don't need a lot of lines here to explain to you this is a good time to buy, and or what. Like, this is the real definition of buying the dip. If this asset now starts pumping, as we are going to see, maybe anytime soon, we have the launching of Provex, which is a decentralized exchange platform that is launching. That is, we are calling it is being called the exchange killer. That will come now to override all the other centralized exchanges, the likes of Binance, the likes of Coinbase, and all that. That will mean there is a lot of flow of liquidity into these assets. So these are just tokens under the Pass-chain blockchain, and they might be pumping very much because that Provex is being launched on the Pass-chain blockchain. So this is what you are looking at right now. We can even check on the daily time frame, on the lower time frame, so that you can make sure your chart every time it's at log here. So you switch it or to log, not auto, just log, and you'll see the clean price representation here. So once again, you can see actually the lowest it has ever been, that was 98%. The lowest it has been. This asset, the lowest it has been is 98%. So already you have missed out this zone here, this price here from 98%. Now it is at 97%. So already this price has bounced off this area, and you can see it has bounced off this candlestick representation, which is called an hammer. And this hammer, let me highlight it. So this hammer represents, it shows that price has made significant, it has been rejected at this point. So the bulls have pushed the price higher, and of course it has closed below. It has closed below the price it opened. So again, it is a red and a red hammer. But again, that is to show that price has been rejected at this area. Actually, this is now our very valid and the support that we know right now. Again, now price might come, you can see maybe it is predicting something like a W, where price is coming from the top. It has bound that area. It might come again, maybe to fetch some liquidity here or go and continue going up. So this is something that you're seeing in all of the analysis that we are doing on Pass-chain, Passex, and all other token, like a significant price analysis. So if this happens, that will mean price will continue going up, or if not, this price will keep on making now new lower highs and new lower lows. So lower highs, lower lows. This is a price pattern where it shows how price moves during a bullish trend. New higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So this is maybe what we might be looking to see in the next period. So this is a buy dip zone. Make sure if you have done your own research. Of course, again, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own analysis and research before you make any decision about this. So thank you very much. See you on the next video.